Hi! As I was saying in the previous video, we are working on putting together online lectures and seminars. Here we are. We have our first date, April 11th. So mark your calendar, April 11th. 9 a.m. US Pacific Time, 12 noon US Eastern Time. And I might have a surprise for you, but I can't promise it. But we are working on it. What about Christian gives that lecture? That will be awesome. So contact me as soon as possible, right away, to be put on the waiting list because the space is limited. So it will be first come, first serve. Send me an email at info@biodecoding.com. I will send you all the details and how to connect to the lecture that day. Christian and I, we are very excited to have finally our entire English-speaking community from all over the world gather for this very first event. It will be special for us, and we hope it will be also special for you. So we are waiting for you to contact us and to finally see you in April. In the meantime, stay safe and healthy.